السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اليوم بنلعب لعبتين. سوني عندي حق سوني. لا بنلعب الأول جديد. خليكم مع اللعبة.
A little help here, Ben!
Yeah, get with the program, Tennyson! Don't you think I'm trying? I wish! Getting told off by a cranky little alien would be better than having to keep answering trivia questions for my #1 fan. That kid seriously needs to get a life!
On this screen, you can change which aliens are selected for the Ultimatrix's presets.
The
door sealed tight.
كل مرة يعطينا واحد. نحن إذا حطيت هنا شوفوا عند ذا وعند ذا اللي يتفرج المخلصات بيعرف لا في فضائيين بوفي.
They look a little messy from the cave in. Hey, cabin?
نبغى سنابي أو
hold the L button to take a look around, and you can interact with some objects by standing near them and pressing the circle button. These guys mean business. Use the analog stick to target and you want to attack. Square the attack. Going for a target that's out of melee range will make you lunge towards it. A great way to take down any enemies in the distance. Give it a shot. Hey, check this out. You can string attacks together by pressing the square button consecutively. Try a 3-hit combo by pressing the square button 3 times in a row. You know, Ben can transform into lots of different things. You need to Each of your alien forms has 4 different special attacks. Hold the R button and then press X, square, triangle, or circle to choose what you're going to use to kick butt. Cracks or broken walls can totally be smashed by humongous. Press the square button whenever you're standing near it. you can create 2 clones of Echo Echo.
أي والله
Objects will earn you bonus cash, and you don't even have to worry about paying for the damage, so just go for it. You're too big to fit through there, Ben. You can push some objects with you.
Humongous hole!
Don't make me come down there and do your fighting for you.
If you don't know where to go,
Humongous hole!
Echo.
the stone looks like it fits in that keyhole.
Really? What gave it away? The giant stone-shaped hole? Or the giant hole-shaped stone?
Enemy attacks by pressing the triangle.
عليكم من الصوت اللي برا. والله في مراحل صعبة برا.
You can easily use the hover ability to clear gaps like these. Press and hold the X button to start hovering. Use this to save your place. If you quit the game, you'll start back here.
لنا دائرة فوق إكس. أي لما تبغى تسويها ما يخليك تسويها. الحين إذا بدي رسم. يلا يا عيال يلا بنوقف هنا.